Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to easily capture text from anywhere on the screen. The download link of Wave PDF is available in caption. Step 1. Install it, and after installation, open the Wave PDF from Desktop Shortcut. Step 2. Click this button to reduce to the floating powerful tool strip. Step 3. Click the Capture Text button and then select the text from anywhere on the screen. Let's see the practical example. It not only captures the text, but also gives you the option to remove unwanted line breaks by clicking this Remove Line Breaks button. After capturing text, the text can be copied anywhere like in MS Word or Notepad. I hope you have learned how to capture text in the easiest way possible. Just download and install the Wave PDF and share your feedback. And remember that this feature of capturing text is not the only feature that this software offers. See more videos to learn about other features.